During spring and summer, you can find the sweetest pineapples. Today, I'm partnering with Knorr and I use Knorr Liquid Seasoning to make the perfect pineapple fried rice. And here's more information on Knorr Liquid Seasoning. It brings out the umami flavor. It is the perfect all-around companion in the kitchen, as you can use it to cook, marinate, sprinkle, and serve as a dipping sauce. Just one bottle inspires you with endless creations. To cook the steamed rice in a rice cooker, add the rinsed jasmine rice and water. The perfect ratio of rice to water is 1:1. And 1 cup of uncooked rice will give you about 3 cups of steamed rice. Use the setting for rice and cook. Transfer the steamed rice to a plate. You can stir fry it immediately, but it is best to let it come to room temperature. Cover it up and store it in the fridge for overnight, so there is less moisture to it and it will be easily separated. To make the pineapple bowl, slice around the edges of the pineapple. Cut out the core by the center and remove it. The texture of the core is a bit tough, so you can save this part for smoothies or marinades. Take out the pineapple. And cut it into cubes. And scoop out the rest of the pineapple. You can eat this directly, save it for smoothies or marinades. To stir fry in a wok over high heat, add the avocado oil or any oil of your choice. And we're gonna add the deveined shrimp. Stir fry until pink for about 1 minute. Remove and set it aside. In the same wok over high heat, add the avocado oil and add the onion and carrots, peas. Stir fry for about 30 seconds. Remove and put them aside. In the same wok over high heat, add the avocado oil, add the eggs, and scramble until partially cooked. Transfer in the steamed rice and stir fry until every grain of rice is separated. Return the onion, peas, and carrots. Season it with salt, white pepper, and Knorr Liquid Seasoning. Mix well. Now we're going to return the shrimp and add the pineapple pieces. Stir fry for another 30 seconds. This is super delicious. Every grain of rice is separated. It really brings out the umami taste and it's also very refreshing. So delicious. So I hope you enjoy making the pineapple fried rice with me today. Knorr Liquid Seasoning is available at your local grocery store. For more delicious recipes, follow at Cook with Knorr on social media. I will see you again soon. Bye!